Dear Cancer, welcome to my channel Dream Tarot, and this is a reading for the sign of Cancer for the month of October. And I have already shuffled cards, and I will do the reading in the Celtic Cross spread as I do in the start of the month for general reading, and it will be the general reading, not for the particular matter or area of your life. So now start your reading. I will cut them in 3 piles for the sign of Cancer for the month of October. So you are getting the Sun card in your current uh, position, and the Ten of Cups. It's a good position. And underneath the base of the reading, you have Hermit. Crowning your reading, you have the King of Pentacle. Recent past, you have Four of Swords. What is coming in near future is the Two of Swords. What is your internal resources? You have internal forces, you have Nine of Cups. What is your external forces? You have Five of Pentacles. And your fears, hopes, fear, and wishes, you have the Devil, and the outcome is the Three of Swords. And underneath the deck, you have the Three of Wands. So, Cancer. Some communication, clear cut truth come out towards you, which is giving you the step back and painful situation right now. And this clarity and this news maybe is a tower for you. It's a shocking news for you, or maybe something happened suddenly, or you were waiting for something. Which is not coming toward you, but now it is coming toward you unexpectedly. It can be like that the news is coming toward you about your partner. Maybe it is giving you some kind of step back kind of situation. Maybe something going on with you, which is giving you some sudden shocks, but it is coming. Whatever you were waiting for, it's now coming unexpectedly towards you. Because of this news, whatever you were waiting for, the long wait was giving you this kind of situation, painful situation maybe, or someone gone through some operation right now, sudden operation, something unexpected is going through in your life. Maybe it's a relationship scenario that your partner is having some kind of separation. You or your partner having some kind of separation. Now let's see what's coming up more for you. In the recent past, you have the Four of Swords. So you were very much relaxed in your relationship, or if it's not in a past situation, it's when you enter in the month of October, or in the end days of August, end days of September. It's energy of that time period, that you were relaxing, that you are having your partner, you were relaxing, or you were not thinking over this situation, this what is going on with you right now in your relationship. You were relaxed about your life. Currently, what you are going through is that the Sun card, you were happy, you are very much happy, you are feeling happy, relaxed, as you are entering in the month of October. I'm seeing some brightness, sunshine in your life. You are having some good time with your partner, or maybe some it's like you are having some good time with your children if you are married, or if you are not married, or you are in a relationship with someone. You are having some good times and some memorable times with your partner as you start your month of October. But what is crossing it? The family, home. It's like beautiful energies. Maybe some family coming your way. Someone's family is coming your way. Uh, in the happiness of your love life. So, and or maybe it's a fulfilling happy moments are ending. it's like it's like an end of this happy moment, happy emotionally satisfied moment in month of October. So what is ending this moment is, um, what is your base of the reading is the Hermit card. You are so Hermit, you are in a hermit energy in the base of your reading, that you are very much thinking deeply about your love life, about your relationship, as you are entering in the month of October in relaxing mood, or maybe it's a uh, going in backward and to think about to think more about your relationship and what is going on in your surroundings. um, you are deeply thinking something. These two cards are relaxing and deeply thinking, meditating. You are lot of time spending in meditating now. These happy moments you are getting ended are getting ended in month of October or in the mid of October, and now you will go in the meditative mood, or maybe you will have some clarity about this relationship, that this relationship is not like what it seems. So you are want to think more and then to decide what to do. Or if it's a situation like someone is entering in your life, or you are someone is offering you something, and this is giving you some happiness also, but you have to decide with voice thinking. You have to thinking wisely before accepting this offer or this relationship to you. What is in your mind? Maybe you are dealing with some with earth sign person. Maybe this is your energy, or maybe this is your partner's energy. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. You are dealing right now with the earth sign, or maybe in your mind that you have to be practical in this love related matter, or you are busy doing in your work. Work is on your mind right now, and um, it's like some vacations are ending and you are now going back to your work and getting aloof from family. It's like that. Or you are having some job offers from something, or you are very much on your mind that you have to be practical and very much nurture toward your partner, or your partner should be nurtured toward you. Otherwise you have to think about this relationship if it is not giving you what you want. So in the uh, internal forces, you have nine of cups. So you are getting your wish in the month of October. What is your wishes? Or you are wishing something. it is your desired thing, the happiness of your family or your partner, or maybe if you are in a love relationship, this relationship is giving you some family kind of feelings and happiness, and you have to your wish is to get this person in your life, or you are very much happy because emotionally fulfilled that you are having this person. But what is your partner is thinking that they are detached from you. um, they are getting detached from you. Maybe it's a some financial issues are coming to between you, or maybe you are doing job, or your partner is doing job, your partner is getting separated from you because of the work or money related matters, and but you are emotionally fulfilled that you are having this kind of relationship in your life. uh let's see what else is coming. Is your hope and wishes is that you are fearing that it's fearing to become the toxic become or coming in a toxic relationship with your partner. So you have to think a lot regarding this relationship, or be practical, do things practically, not just verbally, to make this relationship bright and happy and emotional fulfilled. So you have to wait and decide, as in your near future you have two of swords, that you have to decide what you have to do to make this relationship the emotionally fulfilled relationship. Or maybe you have two choices for your for your relationship matter. As I said that you are getting your wish, and your partner is, or in your surround, your partner is feeling left in a cold. Maybe you have to decide between two, or because and that's why your relationship is becoming the toxic and devil kind of relationship. That's why this tower moment and painful situation coming in your love life right now. There is a third party, and you are getting some heartbreak because of this, or maybe someone is getting heartbreak because of this. So let me clarify this three of swords and two of swords. What is this two of swords for sign of Cancer? What is this two of swords for the sign of Cancer? What is this two of swords for the sign of Cancer? Please clarify this two of swords for the sign of Cancer. Please clarify. The sun again. Please clarify, please, these two of swords and the Empress. And underneath the deck you have Queen of Pentacles. And please clarify this three of swords for the sign of Cancer. Please clarify this three of swords for the sign of Cancer. Please clarify. Some news is coming towards you, which is giving you a heartbreak. Maybe it's a creative or some excited news. Please clarify this three of swords for the sign of Cancer. Please clarify this three of swords for the sign of Cancer. Please clarify this three of swords. बहुत सारे हैं. So underneath the deck you have page of swords. Sorry for this mishaps. So underneath the deck you have page of swords, the moon. You are confusing between two. It's a resurrecting again in some relationship, and you are confused, and you have to give someone a message. You have to choose between two. So this decision is the Empress and the Sun. It's a very good this deciding between two. Maybe you are deciding to get the happiness and the family. It's a family decision. You have to take decision for your family. This decision is like if you are married. Um, if you are not married or you are with your partner, you have to decide with two people. One is like look like a marriage material, or it's a look like a marriage partner, or you think that this person will can be your life partner or marriage partner, or someone is just giving you some fun time and happy moments. So you have to decide between two. Or if you are married with someone, you are having some you want some stability in your love life, in your family life, and you want stability of your home and family life with your partner and your children's. So you are going to you want to do your give your time to your job and your business. So you have to decide to go away from your family, maybe uh, for your wife and children's. So you have to decide something. That's why your partner is feeling left out in a cold. That you are going away from them, away from your family for financial matters. So, and this heartbreak is the news. Maybe from past person is coming back to you, and this they are very much excited to have you in their life. If you are not, if you are having some partner, love partner, if you are in a relationship, not in a married life, so you have to decide between two. One is from your past person and one is someone new, which is very much excited, as this sun card is saying. One is like a marriage partner and one is like a um, just fun partner. So Cancer, you have to choose between two persons in month of October, and this can be some toxic situation for you in month of October, but you have to decide maybe in month of. So Cancer, you have to decide between two peoples, someone from your past and someone who is the player kind of thing. Maybe it's a excited person, but it's a third party situation. You have to choose wisely before getting in any relationship. So it's a reading for you for the month of October. If it resonates you, please let me confirm in a comment below. And like my video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.